Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara, and in today's video I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY video. I am going to be making a snowman out of wood plaques, and this is what the snowman looks like. He measures 18 inches long and 11 inches wide. So this is what he looks like next to me, so you guys can see how big he really is. Now let's get started on making our snowman. And these are the items you're gonna need for this project. You're gonna need 2 of these wood plaques, and these measure 23 by 6. And 2 of these wood crafts, and these measure 18 by 2. Orange paint, black and white paint, 1 of these floral picks, hot glue, a ruler, a sponge or a paintbrush, a handsaw. Baking soda is optional. Everything that I did show you, you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. I just had some of these stuff on hand. We're going to start by removing the top of the wood plaque because we don't need this pumpkin wood cut out. The next step is we're gonna cut 1 of these wood crafts in half. And this is what the back of your board should look like. So the next step is we're gonna be creating his hat, and you can leave his hat either straight, or you can angle it this way or this way. That's up to you. I'm going to be leaving his hat just a little bit tilted. So the baking soda is optional. I'm just using it to get like a rough texture, and you can use less baking soda for less texture or more baking soda for a more rough texture. I like a rough texture, so I'm just going to add a large amount of baking soda. So now that the white paint is dry, we're gonna go in with the black. So now that we've painted his face and his hat, now we're going to draw the face on the snowman. So you can freehand his face if you like, but I am going to be using a lid from a mason jar for his eyes. So I drew a carrot and made a little template, and I am just going to trace this for his nose. And then for his mouth, I am going to freehand his mouth. So our snowman is complete. This is what he looks like, and it is optional. You can add a bow to the top of his hat. I am going to be using these berry stems to mine. I'm just gonna add a few of this greenery and some berries to the top of his hat. And this is the final look of our snowman. Okay guys, and that's going to be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this snowman, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.